Hello friends, good evening. Myself Dr. Avjit Kumar Singh. Today I'll be talking about the management of cholesterol. As you all know, cholesterol is a very essential component of our body. It is actually component of blood cells and body tissues. Almost every cell of the body needs cholesterol to function normally. Cholesterol is essential for producing hormones, vitamin D3. Today it's fashion now. So everybody is talking about D3. So it is very essential that vitamin D3 is produced by that, and bile acid that helps to digest fat. Our body needs cholesterol to be healthy, but too much cholesterol can be harmful to our body, to our health, because too much of anything is not good. Body produces the cholesterol it needs to keep us healthy. Body also get cholesterol from the food we eat, and it is also called dietary cholesterol. Cholesterol is fatty in nature and cannot dissolve in blood, which is watery in nature. So, for the circulation of blood, cholesterol is packaged in what is called lipoprotein, which have a fat inside the protein. Actually outside it is protein. प्रोटीन के अंदर में ये होता है. There are two main kinds of lipoproteins which carry cholesterol in the blood: low density lipoprotein, which is commonly known as LDL, and more commonly we know as bad cholesterol. Bad cholesterol and good cholesterol, I'll be talking about good cholesterol later on. पहले bad को deal कर लेते हैं. As it carries cholesterol to the tissues, including blood vessels, most of the cholesterol in the blood is in the LDL form. The LDL numbers need to be low because higher the level of LDL cholesterol, the blood greater the risk of heart disease. If there is too much of LDL cholesterol in the blood, some of the excess build up the stuck up in the inner walls of the blood vessels. This increases the thickness of the blood vessels and makes them hard. These causes obstruction in the normal blood flow, increases the blood pressure. High, देखो, when there is deposition, it gets harder. तो नॉर्मली जो वो पल्सेशन फीलिंग होता है वो कम हो जाता है. वो हार्ड हो जाने की वजह से ब्लड प्रेशर जो है उसका डायमीटर भी कम हो जाएगा, तो वो ब्लड प्रेशर बढ़ जाता है. High blood pressure results in the several diseases such as heart attack, CKD, and stroke. High density lipoprotein or HDL is also called as good cholesterol. Now we'll be talking about the good cholesterol, as it removes the bad cholesterol from the various organs and clears it from the body. It can also remove excessive cholesterol accumulated in blood vessels. To remember, the H is HDL is commonly referred as healthy. HDL levels number should be high, as low level of HDL cholesterol increases the risk of heart disease. Vice versa. LDL का अगर कम है तो अच्छा है, और HDL अगर ज़्यादा है तो अच्छा है. The other common type of fat is body, which can build up the blood vessels, is called triglycerides. They come from food and body also makes them. High cholesterol usually has no signs or symptoms. The only way to know whether one have high cholesterol to get the cholesterol checked. The healthcare team can do simple blood tests called lipid profile to measure the cholesterol level, which typically reports total cholesterol, which is total amount of cholesterol in the blood based on HDL, LDL and triglycerides number. अब उसको तीन कैटेगरी में बांट ले: LDL, HDL and triglycerides. Cholesterol is measured in milligrams per deciliter. The desirable levels of the cholesterols are: total cholesterol should be less than 200 milligram per deciliter. LDL should be less than 100 milligram per deciliter. HDL cholesterol greater than or equal to 60 milligram per deciliter. And triglycerides should be less than 150 milligram per deciliter. If the cholesterol is found to be high, then doctor will recommend various treatments such as dietary and lifestyle changes and the medications to the lower cholesterols to lower your cholesterols. Though cholesterol levels can be lowered with lifestyle changes, many people needs cholesterol lowering drugs in addition to lifestyle changes to lower the LDL levels. Now we'll be talking about drug treatments, which you most are interested in that. So drug treatment, there are various types of drug which are used to lower LDL and they work in different ways which include, we can divide it into five ways: the statins, bile acid, secretorants, nicotinic acids, fibric acids, and cholesterol absorption inhibitors. The first we'll be talking about statins. Statins very effective in lowering LDL levels and are safe most of the people. They are considered as first line treatment and most frequent prescribed as initial therapy. Bile acids secretorants के बारे में बताएंगे कि also lower LDL can be used alone or in combination with statin. And then third category is nicotinic acid which lowers LDL and triglycerides and raises HDL. Fibric acid is it lowers the LDL somewhat but are usually and mainly to treat the high triglycerides and low HDL levels. Cholesterol absorption inhibitors lower LDL can be used alone or in combination. If the doctor prescribes medicines as a part of treatment plan, be sure to take it regularly as prescribed. Also implement the healthy lifestyle changes along with the medication. केवल दवा पे नहीं रहना, lifestyles को change करना. The combination of the medicines and means heart healthy lifestyle changes can help lower control and blood cholesterol levels. These will keep the dose of medicine as low as possible and lower the risk of other ways as well. So, by making healthy lifestyle changes, one can help to prevent heart disease and control the high blood cholesterol levels. First of all, we'll be talking about healthy eating. Healthy eating, what one eat has a huge impact on our health. Our body makes all the cholesterol it needs, which is why experts recommend that people eat as little dietary cholesterol as possible. While on the healthy eating plan, dietary cholesterol is found in animal foods such as meat, seafood, poultry, eggs, and dairy products. So, what one can do? Limit foods which are high in saturated fat, such as cheese, meat, dairy desserts, tropical oils, and highly processed foods, which is very common nowadays. Choose food as low, which is low in saturated fat, trans fat, sodium, and added sugars. These includes lean meats, seafood, fat-free or low-fat milk, cheese, yogurt, whole grains, and fruits and vegetables. Thirdly, eat foods naturally high in fiber, such as oatmeal and beans, unsaturated fats found in vegetable oils and nuts. Increase the intake of fruits, green vegetables, whole grains, poultry, fish, and nuts, while curbing such sugary foods and beverages. Becoming more physically active. Physically activity is an important aspect. As sedentary lifestyle lowers the HDL or good cholesterol, and less HDL means there is less good cholesterol to remove LDL or bad cholesterol from your blood vessels. Just 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise a week is enough to lower both cholesterol and high blood pressure. Exercise which one can do include brisk walking, swimming, bicycling, or even a dance class can fit the bill. Quit smoking. If you're a smoker, beware. Quit smoking. Smoking lowers the HDL cholesterol and is well known to increase the risk of heart disease. By quitting, smokers can cut down the cholesterol level. Third, fourthly, the losing weight. I am one of the culprit. Being overweight or obese tends to increase the bad cholesterol and lower good cholesterol. Reducing the weight for obese person can lower the cholesterol level. A weight loss of as little as 10% can help to improve the high cholesterol in numbers. I'll like to tell you something more. Like I'm a obese person. My lipid profile, I went and I get my check done, and my lipid profile was perfectly normal. And a lean thin person was having a cholesterol level. I checked it and found that his cholesterol levels or triglyceride was very high. So seeing the body mass, you cannot imagine, you can just guess, but you should not be sure कि अगर दुबले हैं तो मेरा कोलेस्ट्रॉल कम है. It's not that. It is a myth. So now we'll be again going to manage stress. If you are having a stressful life, chronic stress can sometimes raise LDL cholesterol and decrease HDL cholesterol levels. So bad is increased and good cholesterol is reduced. Get enough good quality sleep. If you are not having good quality of sleep, it can again affect your health, it can affect your heart. Sleep helps heal and repair the heart and blood vessels. The recommended amount for adults is 7 to 9 hours of sleep a day. At the end, I want to summarize this session as high blood cholesterol is one of the major controllable risk factors for heart disease, heart attack, and stroke. No matter your age, you can take steps each day to keep cholesterol level as healthy in healthy range. High cholesterol can be prevented and managed by making healthy choices. It can be done by taking the medicine as directed, making the healthy lifestyles, which we have talked in detail, and taking the health care team and checking the cholesterol regularly. So I think it has made you clear. So thank you. Goodbye.